let me make sure that I'm gonna double check today and make sure that I'm not muted. But what's going on, y'all?
This guy.
Yeah, I'm not muted today.
What up?
What's going on?
All right.
Ooh.
Good stuff. Number 45.
Number 45. How's everybody doing today? How you doing, P?
Man, I'm doing good. You know, we're in some profits on this GJ buy.
Yes, sir. Before we even talk about anything, y'all know what's up. Go ahead and drop a subscribe. You know, like the channel and stuff like that. We do plan on getting back to creating our shorts because we do know that some of our recent followers, they love the shorts that we were creating, and we were just, you know, we're gonna get back to it shortly. But I just wanted to remind y'all, drop the like, you know, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, now you can go ahead and get to it. You can go ahead and say what you're gonna say.
Appreciate that, bro. So today on Chart Talk, we are gonna be back testing, like we do every week live. We like to back test live. But we're going to be looking at just the month of February. So we're going to kind of start, you know, every time there's a new month, I think it's something cool to where we should go back and just look what happened on this full month, and just kind of get familiar, like we do with every end of the week. We go back and we review the week. Mm-hmm. I think every month it's something you should go back and kind of review the month. So we're going to look at it kind of on a volume profile perspective, and then we're going to go down to the 5 minute. And these type of backtesting sessions are going to be more, I mean, we're going to take trades and we're going to keep a record, but it's going to be because this just happened, right? So it's more systematic. It's more for to see what happened and kind of get more repetitive with it versus seeing if your strategy, like trying to refine your strategy. So we're just getting really comfortable with what the volume profile looked like and what everything kind of looked like. So let's just back this up real quick. We're on GJ and we're using FXCM for the broker. So on GJ, the month of February, when it opened, or I guess when it, you know, closed, this month closed, and we had just sideways movement here. It looks like there was an open point of control to the upside here on, this would be for a month. So open monthly, month before that, and then nothing down here really. Not a whole lot, at least. You know, the value starts to dip off. This got hit perfectly there. Mm-hmm. This got hit perfectly there. So there's not really anything for us to look at to the downside, technically. So
this is for like week. This is weekly, right? Or this is monthly? No, this is monthly. This is monthly. Okay.
Yes. Now we're gonna go and look at the weeks prior. And there was, or is, some volume down here, so open week. And then currently I guess the week before there was just a little bit up here. I'll mark this as well, just so we can see how things react. And then to the upside, you can see there's not really anything here to here. There's literally just nothing in between that in this profile. So I would expect fast movement or just kind of quick upside to right there. Mm-hmm. Nothing else really showing me. I guess this would be technically something else right there. Open day or week. And then let's go into the 15 minute for our daily point of controls. And there's one here. And that is gonna be it, because there's gonna be nothing here for sure. Okay.
Can you go back on the 4 hour time frame for me real quick?
Yeah, we'll go 4, and then I also want to just show this real fast. Not that, and how there shouldn't be a lot of volume in between here. Well, there is a little bit more than I thought. Let me see. Bless you. Right here.
Can you do me a solid, and when you go on the 1 hour time frame, I believe, can you show the price action from October? I know that's a little far off, but I want to see if there's any weekly point of control that's like in October-ish that might not have been tapped.
October's right here. And then this one down here got hit.
That woman down there got hit. Okay. Alright, cool, awesome.
Yep.
Alright, cool.
Okay. So let's see what happened. Let's go on to, let's say, 15 minutes. And let's play this month out. So for right now, there's not really any plays in my opinion. Yeah, I don't see.
Only thing I'd
really
be looking for is this buy at the open day point of control based off of if I'm throwing a fib on there.
So this would be an area that we want to wait for a break, and then
I kind of really remember GJ on like price action on the month of February, if I'm being quite honest. I kind of forgot it.
Let me take this off. Okay, let's see what we got going. Did you say you would buy this?
No, it's at the open day POC to the downside.
Okay.
I'll be looking for buys there.
Okay, let's shift it up there. Yeah, definitely. Right here. Off of something like this probably.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got. Because right now it's not really giving us anything. It did just come in and tap the previous day's point of control, so that's something.
That's something that gotta
to like look at, you know, something to continuously
pay attention to.
Pay attention to how when the value of the day shifts down, and then that point of control stays there, you get this retest and then an instant drop. The test happened during London, so we get this move down now. Comes and hits the 61.8 with volume is starting to decrease a little bit now, but it did increase down. So we should see it get there. Let's see how it gets there. We'd be looking to trade off that 78.6. So now the volume picks up really big during looks like maybe
FOMC status?
1
Is that
o'clock,
Wednesday?
maybe FOMC, but it's
on
the first
first
of the month, so I don't think that happens on the first. Maybe it did. I don't know.
I really don't remember.
But now we have this point of control for this day sitting right here. So let's see if this comes back into this area again. This says open week, but it's a day.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Okay, nope. But it's still stuck there, you know. It's the day closed, and we have this sitting up here.
I wouldn't be surprised if price went up there to drop.
Right.
But if that goes, ooh.
Okay, so then we get a smooth, fast move.
Is that a fast move to the upside or to the downside first?
It looks like it. Let's see. Upside. Well, it could have wicked this first.
That's what I'm thinking. I really don't know. I really don't know because it could have gone. It could have just been a boom, boom, boom.
So, regardless though, that this open day price did get to it, and that's one thing to note about these. It's great to trade off of them, but it's also really great to target them for trade opportunities. Let me get off the 5-minute. Okay, so starting the month off, it was bearish, another bearish move, fast move down right here. Let's see if it holds here or if it breaks the low. Ooh, so it barely held here. And then it breaks, so that trade or fib or whatever wouldn't have worked. So instead of just, you know, I'm gonna kind of go fast today. That would have been a L off the fib.
I'm not sure. I'm still iffy about that 5 minute, because it could have easily gone and done a break even, but we'll take it as an L. It's okay.
Yeah. Now we have this other one.
Can you draw that fib out for me? Yeah. I'd play that.
Okay. We'll play this as well.
Because right now I'd be expecting price to come into that open week POC and then turn around and stuff like that.
This is probably, I see this big time. We still have these. We still have so much to the upside that hasn't been tested now at this point.
I like that a lot. And there's nothing to the downside.
But okay. And then we do get excuse me. We get some divergence here, so that's good. See if this starts to pop up yet.
Nice.
There it goes. So on the 5-minute time frame,
there's a bullish move. Yeah.
There's another bullish play here, but let's see what we got here. That point of control just shifts. Boom. Okay, that's good.
There's 1-to-1.
It's a W here. And now it's over 1-to-1. But let's see if it'll come in and hit that. Or if it'll come back into today's point of control. Nice impulse regardless.
Oh,
boom.
wow.
Okay.
Is that a Sunday move right there?
So that smacked. Yep, Sunday open. So that was that week.
But that smacked.
It said 1, 2, 3, boom, and then came right into that open day point of control. So that's perfect.
Rejected off of it. See what happens next.
Just kind of gonna go like this. Another fib. Just kind of going fast with it, you know. Okay, now I'm seeing some divergence off of this, and we just hit an interesting volume area, so this isn't there anymore. So let me see about this.
Wasn't that a week point of control?
Let me see. You might have been right.
Oh, that's open day. Never mind. Yeah, get that out of here.
Let me actually go to the week though to see what the. Okay, so this week profile just closed, and it closed extremely imbalanced. So it came and almost tapped into this area where we had this volume sitting out, missed it, hit the 78.6, which we don't need this even on there anymore, and you know, starting to go a little sideways at this point.
So that open week POC that barely got missed, I would still kind of consider price getting into that, because if you look at the whole value in general, price did tap that value area before going bullish. Not just exactly the open week POC, you know, but it did hit the value area in general.
I would need it to shift structure
so
heavy.
Hard.
Okay, we got this divergence though, so it could come.
I'm hardcore looking for buys. Although I don't see, it's basically off of just a fib though. I don't see anything I don't see any fibs to the downside for it to play. But yeah, that was a fire W.
Right. Okay, this should give a correction to the downside. It did give 3-wave. So there's the correction. Cha-ching. Hold on. If this hits a divergence fib, I'll call it another W.
Oh, yeah, you gotta count that, because you would have hella been looking at that.
Yeah, I'm just going fast. Yeah, no.
Well, it's not, guys, it's just off of some, you guys, for those who are new here, you gotta trust what we're doing, because, like, we keep it real with our back test. So we're not gonna be on some stuff that, Like we're gonna make up as if, oh, we would be in this. Like, no, if we see something that we would have played, we're gonna mark it up. We're not trying to be on here a long time. Although we appreciate y'all for hopping on, like, no doubt.
Yes, and definitely just go back and look at some of the other backtesting sessions, and you'll just see the same.
You'll see the
setups
same stuff over and over.
and
It's the
over.
same thing that we trade. We're not even trying, like, we're not even doing breakouts or anything like that. We're just sticking to our it's either the impulse, divergence, or reversals. And if we see a good Wyckoff, then maybe we'll play that. But even with that, it's like we got to see a really good Wyckoff.
Right.
But we're not ones to really be like, oh, well, we would have so taken this in the market and then not actually take it in the market. Like, that's not what we do.
All right. Would you take this?
Would I take that trade? Because there is a lot of value down there from, I think that's on Thursday. Yep, I would take it. Yes. Because there is a good amount of value down there, but because I really want to start incorporating with this strategy, that fibs are like involved, but I want to see a good amount of volume where my fibs are at. Ooh, that's shifted.
Yeah. No.
No, I'll still take it.
Oh,
don't do this to me. Dang, that's
barely missed.
That's gonna miss me by like a pip, and it's gonna go and skyrocket right now. So right now, I would have, like, I'm already like, no, I can't play this because it's already basically hit my intuition and has gone 1-to-1. Yeah, I can't. I wouldn't, even if price would have come back into that pricing, I can't play it anymore. But that was a good, almost opportunity. And again, price did go into that value, and then ended up going
right here.
And then ended up going bullish. So I can't be mad either. Now, would I be looking for these bears? I don't think so. Absolutely not.
Yeah, me neither. Kind of an ugly day right there.
Ooh, we got 6 of y'all tapped in right now. Go ahead and drop that like button, y'all. Appreciate y'all for hopping on.
Okay, a little bit of bearish divergence coming in. See, the waves aren't big enough for me to trade it though. I wouldn't take this sell right here.
I wouldn't take this sell. That buy would have gone 1-to-3. Dang. But it barely missed me by 1 pip, and it would have missed me in real life, not even just off of here. It would have especially missed me on the broker.
There goes that move.
Wow,
Okay.
that bearish move. Okay, question. Would you be looking for sells here?
Okay, it is tough because the correction is stupid fast.
It's a wick on the daily.
It's a wick on the daily for sure. Let's see here though.
Oof. I don't know. Dang,
So
that point of control being right there is enticing.
No, it missed.
Oh, it missed.
Barely
Oh,
missed,
yeah, nah, it's not a play. Never mind.
and it already dropped a little.
In fact, I think this actually, I think I remember this actually happening, and I was like, and I was hot about it.
So
it's all good.
Even if it comes back, I wouldn't. Oh man, I wouldn't trade it. There we go.
Yeah,
it's
can't.
Still sitting up here too. Okay, there it
is a
shifted.
shift. Yeah, there's no way. After it did the move that we wanted it to, it's like we gotta delete the order no matter what. That's just how it is.
All right, we got a new week again. Let's go look at that real quick.
And again, guys, if you guys don't like, tap into the other backtesting sessions that we have. It's the same thing that we do every single time. Like, literally. We might just add a few things here and there just because of it's smart, you know, or it might be just something that we're implementing into the strategy to make the strategy better, but ultimately it's the same thing that we do every single time.
Man, this week over here was super balanced. There's not much to trade off GJ right here yet.
Even that open week POs. I mean, can you draw a fib from that absolute high to that low, like where that double top is? Yeah, let me see what this is looking like.
Like that?
Whew. I might try to take a crack at this. It's a little bit too consolidating, but I might take a crack
It's
at
up there.
this.
We'll look at it.
Yeah, if when it gets up there, because the open we could put in control is just slightly above the 78.6 fib, and I could live with that.
Okay. Oh, that's
Oh
weird. That
wow,
doesn't
that
sound a
it
lot.
shifted up and then it came back down, but there's still a good amount of value to the upside.
Watch it go get that open week. Yeah.
Okay, press that real
Dang.
quick. Hold that real quick. Go on the 1 hour one time.
All I gotta say is when the market starts to just go up
You
like
never
this,
liked this.
it's like it's literally hunting for liquidity. It's not when you see a market move very subtly like this, like not like this. That's that speed. When you see this market start, any market make just the slightest moves up. Oh, you think it's going to drop? No, it's not. And then you start to get another big candle. That's where it's searching for something.
Yeah.
I would be surprised if it just straight up reverses right here. There is, let's see, that fib would have already got hit.
Yeah,
So
I would need it from the tippy top.
this would be
From the tippy top. This would be a play that I would want to. If I would want to play it, that I'd want to play it from the open week POC, and then have the stop loss above the equal highs. That would be this play right here.
Let's wait for an entry confirmation for it.
I feel that.
So now if it makes another high, I'll look for divergence. And if it double tops up there, it might even... That's interesting. It's straight up just held that hoe. Open day. And then I just want to see where the week is at. Is it down here? It's kind of one of those that just got
one of those.
entered.
I would consider
Still
it.
a price.
Yeah,
it's still interesting. It's not open, but it is.
This market, it's
there. Yeah,
it's just the old price was consolidating and it came into the next day, but then it went bullish type of play. It's one of those ones that are kind of questionable.
This didn't even really give any type of like reversal pattern or anything up here.
Not at all.
It just like dribbled down, which that's cool. All right, let's see. This is probably going to be an area to buy from, maybe. All right, let's see. Do we have divergence? Not really.
Not really.
Okay.
If I would have traded off of that, then my stop loss would have been at break even, and it would have got hit. So I'll be out the trade.
1 hour is giving divergence. I'm gonna see what it looks like from here. When we get there, divergence, fib.
Ooh.
See what this looks like. I'm gonna keep it on the 1 hour for now. No, not 15 minute. Keep this open day. So we got some liquidity to the downside that is still open, just a bunch. We did just tap into this. That's done for. Okay. It looks like it could be a breakout coming. This open day just shifted right up here. So that's what you want to see for the breakout, in my opinion. But I'm still looking for this divergence. And since there is on the 15 minute, there's some divergence, I got to check on the 1 hour now if there's still, yeah. So I'll play this, and it looks like we're going to be in the green. But that's fine. I got my confidence.
You were talking about it anyway, so it's okay. Yep.
And I'll do 40 for 40 for GJ because
GJ pips are different.
GJ needs a little bit of love, and this one looks like it's about to be an instant winner, but got the confirmation, so Got him. All right.
Yeah, there it is.
Bada boom, bada bing. So GJ, you're doing good for us this February. That's interesting, you know? W, we had the divergence. All right.
So one fib, so that was a 1 to 2 if I'm not mistaken, and then the divergence both 1 to 1s. That's fire.
Boom, baby. All right, let's open day. Is this still there? Yep. Okay, there's still liquidity to the downside. And this is starting to like three-wave diverge. This is giving me vibes that this is not fully breaking out right now, but I don't quite remember when it does break out because I do believe it breaks. I just don't quite remember. All right, we coming back into this open day point of control now. So let's see if this holds or if
Can
it
you go on to the 1 hour for me real quick?
fails. Yep. 1 hour and
Zoom out of it. Cause I feel like I remember I was looking for a short opportunity somewhere, and I took an L off of it, and I feel like this was the move that I took an L off of it.
Well, let's see
Or
if you
was
take
it
an
the
L
one
off
that
of it
came
when
at
you're
break
backtesting.
even?
Let's see if you take another L.
Wait, hold on. What? It's the 15th. Okay, never mind. Maybe we'll see. Yeah, we'll
There's
see.
no short opportunities yet, so maybe it
Yeah,
was
no, that's why I'm
the
not sure.
breakout.
It might have been January that I'm thinking about, but we'll see. Like I said, I really don't remember what the price action from February happened. Oh, actually, now I remember. Yep, I remember the loss that I took. Never mind. It's not this. Not yet, I think.
Would you be looking for this fib? Or would you be looking to go down more?
I would be looking for literally both. And
Okay.
again, I'm looking at what day is that? The value that's still to the downside on Tuesday. Like where the fib is at, I still see a little bit of value there, and that would make me be like, I'm down to try it. And then especially depending on the volume and the way that price gets down there. Like how it already hit that 61.8. Alright, yeah, I'm in there like swimwear. Oh yeah, that's cash. I hope that candle holds, because that's gonna be cash money. Come on, show me some cash money, Mark. That's break even money. Or is that 1 to 1?
Damn near.
Dude, that's damn near 1 to 1. If it's on my account, I'm for sure taking partial profits.
I like it.
All right, that's a W.
Dubs.
Taking partial profit to say the least, and then there's that.
Back into that POC every single time.
Every single time. That's nice. I like that. Okay, so that's a W. And that value, like if there was no value there, I probably wouldn't take it. Real life. Like, but when I see that there is a decent amount that's still there, then I'd be like, I'll try it. I'm okay with throwing a half risk at it.
That's why I drew the fib out. I knew you would try that one.
But now I'm still looking at that downside one too. I think this is where I was looking for the sales last time.
See, I wouldn't.
Not that
wouldn't
one, the other
right
one
here.
from the high.
I wouldn't look for sales anywhere right here.
No, it's from the high. Yep. I know. I'd be looking for that. Because look, now it's the same logic. Because now there's still a little bit of value to the upside. I feel like that there was a point of control that literally presented itself. Maybe on the 1 hour. That I was trying to get. I was like, there's a point of control here. I remember me specifically seeing that, and it was a loss. or that I was able to get out at break even. It's one of those two for sure. Yeah, I would have for sure tried to sell this.
That's wild.
I would for sure try to have sell that, like that, yeah. Because I'm looking at it on the 15 minute that it broke lower highs and low, or on the 5 minute even that it broke lower highs and lower lows. So that's
But
why.
what about this bullish engulfing candle on the daily?
I'd be looking at that like that scary hours, but I'm still down to take it. that you know that's how I be. You know that's how I be. I was like, man, that's scary, but you know what? Let's do it. I be on that type of time.
Is those are the trades I'm just like, I'd rather just.
You'd rather stay out. Hold on, draw that fib out. Let me see what actually happened, because I feel like that from the high to the low. Yep. It didn't even get me in, and I would not be playing it. Yep, that's what happened probably. That I was trying to play it, and it didn't even catch me in. And then it came back, and I was like, you know what? I'll try it, and then it stalked me out. That's how I really feel like that happened. For some odd reason. Yep, that's exactly what. And then it came back to break me even. That's exactly what happened, bro. Yeah, it came back, and it would have said, you know what? Here, I'm gonna show you some love. Because I probably did try to play it, and then it came back. It said, I'm going to show you some love, get out the trade, and then it skedaddled. Because, sheesh, there was a whole bunch of POC to the downside. Can you go on to the 1 hour time frame when you are done? Because I think that this is when we started to, yeah.
This is where it starts to break out through that range that there's like not a lot until it gets
to that upside. Yep.
This, or even probably way even higher. I don't remember where it stops, but I'm playing it systematically. If it gives me divergence, I'm selling it.
That thing's about to give you divergence soon.
Kind of already did, but
it already did. I like.
The value of the day is still to the downside, so
I like that.
If it pops up one more time, it's a sell.
There it is. There's the POC to the downside.
POC remains to the downside, so you should kind of be looking for sells.
Okay, now this is the thing that I'm thinking about. I'm like, do I really want to be looking for sales to go into the POC? No, not really. I want to trade off of the POC rather than waiting for, like, I don't know. How do you feel about that? Like,
I just like being able to have a target.
Yeah, I feel that for sure.
Knowing where the market is coming next. Okay, let's see. Where do we want to draw this fib from?
Go ahead and draw it from those equal lows, because I mean that's where price started breaking out.
This or this?
Ooh, the other one for sure.
This one?
Personally, I would.
Actually, I like this one because if it comes back into this range, I would think this is a fake out.
And I would draw the fib right here if I wanted to play that one, because then this is where the breakout really starts to happen. You know?
Okay, I can play that.
That's what I'd rather play, but I'd probably play both of those. I'd probably play that one and this one right here. Real life.
Almost hits that and then comes down into this fib.
Oh yeah,
okay.
Get me in there. I'm hella down.
Here's the point of control thing. Open day right here as well.
like that. And I did say I'll play both of them. Even if this one fails, I'll play the other one. Oh, that one would have told me again. Here's a chance to get out the market, my boy. Oh, and it would have gone and smacked. That's fire. So for those who, if that was something that I would have sent out, that would have been like, hey man, y'all can stay in if you want. I might get out, I might stay in. But the way how it would, that downside like that, I might have tried to stay in.
That means if we would have played it like this,
it would have barely missed.
So it was a good play technically.
Yeah.
And all the wins have a low key been more than 1-1, but regardless, I mean 1-1s are.
We're just tapping it in to see what the W is right now. We're not even trying to get to.
Yeah, we're just seeing how the market moved really.
But it really did come to that open day POC, acted like it wanted to go lower, then popped back up. So I like that. I would not be looking for the bears, but that would have hit 1-1.
Yep. Just the way that the market reacts off these levels, regardless, it just blows my mind, bro.
Wait a minute, bro. Go ahead and draw me. Go ahead and draw me a fib from that high to that low. I think this is what I was referring to more than anything. That I took the L. I feel like there's an L that I took. That there was a point of control to the upside that I wanted to play, and I actually held an L. You see, and this would have hit the 71 and dropped, and I would have been like, I don't know if I want to play it anymore. Then 71 got hit, 78.6 got hit, and L's about to happen. I feel like this is the trade that I took, that it was an L. Because I remember I took an L on GJ last month for sure. And this would have been it if there was anyone, because there was point of control to the upside, yeah. And I was like, hey, there is still point of control to the upside. I just don't care for how it didn't make equal lows. And because it didn't make, or because it didn't break these lows right here, because it didn't do that, that's when it said, here, hold this. All right, we're about to get into the next month, bro.
Yep. And
hold that right there. I want to see if price is going to continue going bullish or if it's going to break those lows. It wouldn't be a trade that I would take, but it's just something I'm observing. Because I would so rather take that. Oh, not even that. I don't like how low the point of control is. Yeah, and I think this is what we're even playing right now currently.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Okay, so first of all, that point of control got deaded. Yeah, we in March now.
Yep. Well.
Oh wait, no, about to be.
Now we are. And this is pretty much where we're entering the market. So.
All right.
It went sideways after that.
Man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Then we dropped out big time. And look what it's doing, bro. That's amazing.
Oh man, that thing is going awesome. Love to see that.
That's good. That's good. A little bit of this divergence coming in, but and no volume on the move up. That's not good. This probably has one more leg down. Honestly, just with the volume still here.
With the volume to that upside, very much probability wise, it's possible for sure.
This isn't open day anymore. It's gone. Open week. Okay. Yeah. So, but either way, we're in the trade. We're almost at break even, damn near.
Yeah.
That'll probably be a W. It's coming up into this level, and at that point, we'll be.
So what was the record for the month? Because as much as I didn't take all those trades, I took some of them, but I know I took another L. That's for sure.
We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 W's and 1 loss.
That's good for GJ for sure.
Yep, that is killer for GJ. That's dope. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. We just want to do a short back testing session on GJ.
We might.
On
How do you? Before we get off, how do you feel about us switching to 9 o'clock for chart talk instead of doing 8 o'clock?
Yeah, definitely. We're gonna start pushing this back to like that 9 o'clock time because that 8 o'clock is be messing with my personal life.
For number one, number two, a lot of y'all tapped in today. Like I saw that we had up to 9 people at a time watching, and for a good amount. So like we might
Very
really
cool.
switch to this 9 o'clock time frame. Who know? We'll see. But like especially like you said, with it affecting your personal life, I'd rather do it at 9 o'clock than 8 for sure.
For sure. All right, y'all. I appreciate it. We will be on tomorrow.
Yep. Thanks for hopping on, y'all.
Tomorrow's gonna be we're either gonna do the psychology tomorrow or Thursday, but either way, Trading in the Zone Chapter 3 incoming. So we'll see y'all later.
Later,
Peace
y'all.
out.